It is super windy today. It's sunny. It's not cold, overly cold. I've got 2 layers on, but it's sunny and warm, but super duper windy, like it's pushing the bike. Windy, strong. I came out to test a new drone that I just bought and that almost ended up in a bit of a disaster because of the wind. All good, I managed to rescue the drone. But given that I was in the countryside, well, I thought of recording a little bit of the ride and put it up on YouTube for you to watch. So here we go. Welcome everyone to the channel. Welcome back to the channel as well. And welcome back to this gorgeous Australian countryside on a sunny, mildish winter afternoon. What time is it? It is 1 o'clock in the afternoon. It's a Tuesday afternoon today, and I am, as always, lost in the countryside, somewhere 90 to 100 kilometers south of Melbourne. And I'm gonna try and make my way back that way. That's where home is. That's where the mountains are. And this is further south towards Bass Strait. But look at this, gorgeous. It's just super windy. I hope the microphone is not picking up a lot of the wind, but it is just windy. And I've got no idea how to get back, but let's figure that out together, shall we? And I couldn't miss this opportunity given that I was home to not take the bike out. The wind is pushing me from that side to that side, and it's strong. How's everyone been? I hope everyone's doing alright and enjoying your motorcycle rides in your parts of the world, especially where there is summertime at the moment. Let me know how you find my videos on the new bike, how you find the new bike. I love it. Let me know what your thoughts are. The BMW R12 2026. I've had it now for 2 months. Yeah. And yeah, I've had the first service done. The 1,000-kilometer service has been completed, and this thing is an absolute beauty to ride. Just, it has opened up a bit after the first service, and I feel I've gotten used to the bike and the bike's gotten used to me, and we are in for some really wonderful times as the summer comes in the next few months. So I can't wait. Let me know what you think. I absolutely love this bike. Got a bit of a new gear too as well. I've got the 360 camera, which you can see in the frame. This is the DJI. I'm totally on the DJI ecosystem. Kind of quite like it. Everything talks to one another and it's pretty easy to manage. I've got the DJI microphones. I've got the DJI 6 on my helmet that I'm videoing this ride with. And this is where I almost lost my drone on its very first flight, just up here in the corner. It was so windy. I turned from that corner towards this lane here, and instead of turning with me, the drone, because of the wind, just kind of got pushed into that bunch of trees there, and and it actually lodged itself into one of these trees here, and I had to do a few clever things to just push it down. In the process, I did manage to lose the ND filter that was magnetically stuck to it. So yeah, it's a DJI Neo 2, the new pocket or little drone that they've come up with, and I was just testing it on the very first ride. Clearly not the best wind-wise to test a little drone. But yeah, I'm excited to film some of my videos with that drone and the 360. I'm spoiled for choices at the moment. I should have taken that road, not because I know where that goes, but I'm just trying to get further lost and spend a couple of hours just doing this before I go home. It's the middle of winter, it's the middle of July, so smack in the middle of winter for us. Another month and a half of solid winter left, and then we get into our spring season and it starts to open up a bit, September onwards, and I cannot wait. Boy, it's windy, oh my god. But look at the countryside, it's gorgeous as always, green, lush, open, inviting. And I've actually started to feel quite comfortable bringing out my new motorcycle on gravel as well. For a cruiser, it handles it pretty well. I was a bit iffy the first time, but I've been on to these kind of dirt tracks, these unsealed roads a few times now, and yeah, no issues. Stock tires, nothing special. As long as I behave myself, they are fine. But look at this day, it's gorgeous. For winters, the wind's not chilly or anything, it's just strong. It's pushing me away this way now. But imagine living here in the lush, open countryside. Gorgeous. Sleep under a sky full of stars every night, if it's not cloudy. How gorgeous. T intersection, alright. Ooh, main road. I don't like main roads. What can I do? Let's go left. There's a car coming. There it is. Let's follow that car and then take the next detour. Oh, this motorcycle, this just flies. Just listen to it, my god. I love this motorcycle. So glad I bought it. It's very flickable for a cruiser. Very agile for a cruiser as well. And it's got a lot of torque all the way up from first gear. It just flies, look at that. And this is just the normal mode, the roll mode. I haven't yet tried the rock mode on it, which apparently makes it come alive even further. Alright, there's a right turn coming up and I think I'm going to take it. Yep, can't stay on this nice sealed road for too long. That's blasphemous when you're on a motorcycle. Alright. Careful. Ooh, a bit slippery. Yeah, this is better. This is my kind of stuff. Alright, people of the world. I hope you enjoyed this little ride through the countryside with me. I absolutely did, even though it's a bit windy. Thank you for watching all my videos. To the 200 people who watch it, I'd absolutely love a few more to start watching my channel and my videos. I'm trying my best to make good videos. So if you like the videos, if they interest you, please leave a like or subscribe. I'll really appreciate it. But take care, more importantly. Look after yourselves. I'll see you soon in another video. Take care. Bye bye.